Wash and cut 3 potatoes with skin as shown in the video, then place them in a pot with cold water and a little salt. Overheat for 8 minutes until boiling. Drain and add olive oil, garlic powder, black pepper powder, paprika, oregano powder, and a little rosemary. Mix well, and place on a baking tray. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes until crispy. For the sauce, thinly slice the mushrooms and sauté them in a pan with a little oil. Then add butter, cream, and milk, and whisk together. After a few minutes, add some nutmeg, oregano, and salt along with Parmesan cheese, and whisk. Then pour the hot sauce over the crispy potatoes and enjoy.